Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, good morning. Myself Vidya Bhavya. Myself Srihat Sharanya. We are from class 10. Today on the special occasion of National Mathematics Day, I feel proud to speak about one of the greatest mathematicians, Srinivasa Ramanujan, whose life proved that talent and dedication can overcome all difficulties. Srinivasa Ramanujan was one of the greatest mathematical genius in the world and is admired for his extraordinary talent and dedication to numbers. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu, India, into a poor and simple family. From his early childhood, Ramanujan showed a deep love for mathematics. Numbers fascinated him and he spent most of his time solving mathematical problems and creating new formulas on his own. He had very little formal training, yet his ideas were original and far ahead of his time. Because he focused only on mathematics and neglected other subjects, he could not complete his college education and faced many financial difficulties even during extreme poverty. He continued his research by creating thousands of mathematical results in notebooks. In 1913, Ramanujan sent his work to famous mathematician in England, Professor G.H. Hardy of Cambridge University, recognized his brilliance and invited him to England. At Cambridge University, Ramanujan worked closely with Hardy and made remarkable contribution to numbers, infinite series and continuous fractions. His work earned him international recognition and in 1918, he became one of the youngest fellows of Royal Society and the first Indian fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. Due to poor health and the harsh climate, Ramanujan returned to India and died on 26 April 1920 at the age of 32. Though his life was short, his mathematical contribution continued to inspire scholars and students all over the world. Ramanujan's magical number. Ramanujan's magical number is 1729, a number that has become famous in the history of mathematics. This number is special because it is the smallest number that can be expressed as the sum of two cubes in the two different ways. It can be written as 1 cube plus 12 cube and also as 9 cube plus 10 cube. Gives us 1 plus 1728, which is equals to 1729, and the other way to write 9 cube plus 10 cube gives us 729 plus 1000 gives us 1729. The story behind 1729 is well known. When Professor G.H. Hardy visited Ramanujan in the hospital, he mentioned that the taxi he came in had the number 1729 and that it seemed to be an ordinary number. Ramanujan immediately corrected him and explained its special properties. This incident showed Ramanujan's sharp memory and deep insight into mathematics, even when he was seriously ill. Since then, 1729 had been called Ramanujan number or Hardy Ramanujan number and is often used to explain the beauty and creativity of mathematics. Thank you.
National Mathematics Day is celebrated in India on 22nd December every year to honor the birth anniversary of the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. The Government of India officially declared this day in 2012 and the same year was also observed as the National Mathematics Year to encourage students and teachers to develop interest in maths. Ramanujan's contribution, especially in number theory and mathematical analysis, have lasting impact on the world of mathematics. The main aim of National Mathematics Day is to highlight the importance of mathematics in our daily life and in the development of nation. Mathematics is not only a subject in school, it is essential in science, technology, medicine, engineering, economics, and even space research. By celebrating this day, students are encouraged to develop logical thinking and problem-solving abilities. It also helps remove the fear of mathematics and show that the subject can be interesting and creative. On this day, schools and colleges organize various activities such as quiz, seminars, workshops, exhibitions, and competitions. These activities make learning mathematics enjoyable and interactive. National Mathematics Day also teaches us lessons from Srinivasa Ramanujan's life. His dedication, curiosity and hard work inspire students to dream big and achieve excellence. National Mathematics Day is not only a way to honor a great mathematician, but also a reminder that mathematics is a powerful tool for knowledge, innovation and national progress. Let us all take inspiration from Ramanujan and try to appreciate and enjoy the beauty of mathematics in our lives. Thank you.
Teachers and my
more time than her. She performed complex calculations without using pen, paper or calculators. Because of her amazing talent, she earned a place in the Guinness Book of World Records. She traveled to many countries and showed the power of the human brain. Shakuntala Devi also believes that mathematics is not difficult, but it should be taught in an interesting way. She wrote many books to help students enjoy mathematics and remove fear from their minds. She proved that with practice, confidence and interest, anyone can love mathematics. Her life inspires us to believe in ourselves and use our talents to the fullest. Let us remember Shakuntala Devi on this special day and promise to learn mathematics with joy and curiosity. Thank you.
Maths is involved. In maths, everything is in order. Today, we the students of class 6 and 7 are presenting a small scale which shows the importance of broad maths. Now let us hear from them.
Problems. My life is full of problems, dull and boring. Counting. Always counting. I'm so alone in the world.
Yo.
Hey, who are you? You are out to something.
I will introduce myself. I am Anishan and I will prove that I am very useful to you.
But how can you do this?
I can increase your value, so please don't try to avoid. First, take the number 3 and 4. When you add these both numbers, the answer is 5.
Oh wow, with the help of addition, we can make so many numbers. I'm so happy. But can you tell how can I decrease my value? I can decrease your value. How? First you take numbers 3 and 2. If I get between them, then the value will be 1. Repeated addition. Hey, who are you? What do you mean by this? I am multiplication. I have double distance. When you want to add a number again and again, I can make the calculation very easier and then you will call me a shortcut and then I am entered. I am elder brother of multiplication. Here you go. One more operation. Do you want to eat? Yes, I'm so excited.
Hi, hello everyone. I am Divisa. When you want to say equally, I work it by calculation easier.
Oh, so nice. So many operations to deal with. I'm so happy. Let's play with the numbers. Let's play. Oh, stop. So many operations to deal with. What's the problem?
Don't worry dear, in order we can play with the numbers.
Here, you can play. Can you send order here? You can play with this according to a sequence like O for OR, D for division, F for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Hi, hello. I am Ravi. My rule is to catch all the operations and keep in a box.
No. Let's finish this bracket, otherwise it will not allow us to play. Attack!
So friends, always remember when we have a bracket, our aim is to finish it first, then we can play according to the sequence. Yes, you need a new sequence. B for bracket, O for OR, D for division, N for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So dear friends, math is all about numbers, formulas, operations, orders, and points. show you importance of zero. Hello, I am one. I exercise 1 hour daily. Hello, I am two. I eat 2 bananas daily.
I am 3. Traffic lights have 3 colors. They are red, green and yellow.
Hello, I am 4. We have 4 directions: east, west, north and south. Hello, I am 5. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Hello, I am 6. A cube has 6 faces. All faces are square in shape. Hello. I am 7. I drink 7 glasses of water daily. Hello, I am 8. We have 8 planets in solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Hello, I am 9. I am the biggest single digit number.
Hello, I am 0.
Why are you crying? They are laughing at me. I am nothing. Hello, I am mathematician. I play with numbers daily. Oh dear zero, you have great value. Give you one example. Number 30, can you please come and stand on the right side of zero? What it became? 10. So you have raised value of 1 by 10 times. Number 2, can you please come and stand on the right side of zero? What it became? 20. So you have raised value of 2 by 10 times. In the same way, everyone has value in this beautiful world. Everyone say sorry to zero. Sorry. Thank you.
Subdivisions. A student solves one sum in 4 seconds. Shakuntala Devi solves the same sum in 1 second. How many seconds faster is she for 10 sums?
Repeat the question.
Anyone can answer. A student solves one sum in 4 seconds. The same sum is solved by Shakuntala Devi in 1 second. If both the people solve 10 sums, how many seconds faster is Shakuntala Devi? Correct answer.
What weighs more, a pound of feather or a pound of bricks? What weighs more, a pound of feather or a pound of bricks? Correct.
Number is multiplied by 3 and then 6 is added. The result is 27. What is the number? Wrong answer. You can try again. Correct. 7.
Apples and you take away 3 apples. How many do you have? No, wrong. Correct.
If you multiply this number by any other number, the answer will always be the same. What number is it?
0.
Correct.
What is the favorite snack of math teacher? Correct.
Why was the number 10 afraid of 7? Yes. It was 7, 8, 9. Why was the math book so
They are grandfather, father and son, so there are only three people, but there are two fathers and two sons. What is the math teacher's favorite place in the world? No, not in school. Not in school, not in home also. Time squares.
How can you take 2 from 5 and still have 4?
You have to take 2 from 5.
How can you take 2 from 5 and still have 4? Shall I guess? Correct.
Good morning everyone, myself Moshika and from class 8. Today I am going to ask some puzzles and quiz questions. How many sevens are there from 1 to 100? 20. Not 70 plus. My name is Kirtana. This is my project. The project name is
So there are some states in which if we add or remove one state, the sums in 3 of the rows should be equal to 10. So that we should adjust the stakes very properly, that when we count each stake in any row horizontally and vertically, the sum should be equal.
Remove one. By that, you should remove one. Again, the total remains same, 10. That is the magic. Someone is over. Good morning, everyone. Happy National Mathematics Day to all of you. So you have seen all the programs today. So what you have understood about mathematics? Math is important, isn't it? So right from the beginning of the day, that is sleeping clock you have seen, isn't it? So from beginning of the day to the dinner of the day, you need mathematics, either in some way, or calculation, quantity, everywhere. So you just enjoy mathematics, don't once again, happy Mathematics Day to all of you.
Thank you.